Hello guys and welcome. As you can see, these are my trades for today. Yes, I repeat, these are my trades for today and they've just been running for this day. And guys, today I'm just going to take you on a step-by-step measure on how to make sure that you end up with such trades. There's just only one rate, but I do know that the strategy is going to work on it. So guys, feel free to subscribe and let's get to business. I'm just going to be showing you on my computer, so let's just get to it. Okay guys, before I forget, do you remember that we have got the VIP signal group, and the VIP signal group is actually free of charge for anybody out there. All you have to do on this signal group is that you just have to open an account using the referral link on our video description. So just open an FBS account there, and then the next thing that you have to do is that you just have to deposit at least $10 on your account, and then you just show me the proof of that. That's all. So you open a FBS account. You can even open a cent account if it's okay, and then the next thing that you do, you send me proof of deposit. That's all, and you're in on the signal group. It's actually working quite fine. We are getting profits every day, and this is just massive. I tell you guys when to sell, a stop loss, and then take profits one, take profits two, and it's all a win-win situation. These days it's been amazingly going well, so feel free to make sure you enter that one. The link is on the video description. I'll be seeing you guys there. Otherwise, let's get to business. As I said again, so you are probably asking yourself, what are all these things on the screen? So right now, what I have on the screen, this is the Tokyo, London, and the New York session, and we're on USD CAD. And guys, I'm just going to take you step by step. So the first thing I'm going to do basically right now is just to remove those things, and then let's just go up here. Let me have my good R over here so that I can demonstrate very well. So firstly, we're going to go to the indicators. So click on the indicators, and once you get on the indicators, what I want you to search for is the sessions. So once you get to sessions, I want you to choose the one that is called Sessions Lux Algo. I've always been showing you guys using this thing many times now. So once you click on it, it's all good. You're just going to go back to the chart, and I want you to go to the settings. So just get to the settings. I want you to leave New York, London, Tokyo, and I want you to remove Sydney down there, and then I want you to remove show daily divider and the inputs status line, and then we are going to get to it. So basically right now we are only left with the Tokyo session, the London session, and the New York session. So what I want you guys to analyze is it's almost towards the end of the Tokyo session, and after this is the Tokyo session, right? And then when the London session begins, I want you to do something like this. So I want you to mark that candle, because that is the one we're going to be using for this one, and specifically just for this one. Don't mind what I've said before. So guys, what happens after the London session starts and the Tokyo session is still in progress is that just make sure that price closes above that candle on a full candle. So whenever price closes, either it's going to close just below or it's going to close above. So just make sure that whenever price closes, you either you sell or you buy. If it's going to close above, just make sure that you definitely buy. So I'm going to prove to you that this thing works. Let's say here it closed on a full candle. As you can see, the breakout was on a bullish candle, and thus you can just see that price began to do what price just definitely went up after that. So let's see on the next day what happened. Let's see what happened on the next day. We look at the Tokyo session and we look at where the London session begins, and then what we do is that we're just going to mark that first candle of the London session, and as you can see now, you can see that price came and it closed just below here using a bearish candle over here, as you can see. So we've got the bearish candle over there. That's good. And then price definitely started selling. So that is basically what we just look for on that term. So this one is very good for scalpers, because they just basically just have to know what to do at that right time. So the London session is beginning here, or after the Tokyo session has been in progress, and here we are. See, now we are going up. You can see price closed on a bullish candle over here. That's the reason why now price is just going to be going up like that. simply like that. So basically this one is really good. All you have to do is that you wait for the Tokyo session. Almost towards the end of the Tokyo session, you look for the London session, and when the London session begins, you just mark that first candle. And as we mark that first candle, it is just going to be like this, and after that you can see price closed on a full bullish candle, and that's the reason why we can just be buying over there. As simple as that. So basically you just wait for this inter session, Tokyo and London. During that intersession, that is the one we use, even if market was ranging on that day, because if you look at this day, so market was ranging on this day. So that's the reason why we had a very slow movement of price between the Tokyo and the London session. Otherwise, on normal days, price will just definitely make sure that it gives you some serious profits on there. Otherwise, guys, you feel free to subscribe on this YouTube channel. I'll be giving you guys more updates after this one, so you take care. See you next time. Thank you.